Let's learn how do we divide the number 384 by 6 using the long division method. See that 3 is less than 6, so we will consider the two digits, that is the number 38. We know that 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 6. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 4 here. And we know that 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 384 divided by 6 is equal to this number 64. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.